Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue with our fluency practice. This is related addition and subtraction practice. When we say related, we're talking about fact families. Okay? So look for patterns as you're working with this. For example, 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Boys and girls, this is a pattern because all the numbers have to do with the family 5, 1, and 6. So as you're doing the subtraction and addition practice, look for the fact families so you can finish a lot faster. Okay, boys and girls, so I'm going to give you 90 seconds. Ask an adult to help you time your practice test. Pause your video so that when you're finished, you can restart your video and check your work. Okay, go ahead and pause your video now. Okay, boys and girls, let's check our work. If you got the answer correct, you can say yes. Remember, sometimes you will finish, sometimes you may not, but you want to do better than yesterday. Number 1, 1. Number 2, 5. Number 3, 5. And boys and girls, this is a family. Number 4, 1. Number 5, 9. Number 6, 1. And boys and girls, this is a family, or it's a pattern, either way. Number 7, 5. Number 8, 5. Boys and girls, this is a family. Number 9, 2. Number 10, 2. Boys and girls, this is a family. Number 11, 3. Number 12, 3. Boys and girls, this is a family. Number 13, 2. Number 14, 2. Boys and girls, this is a family. Number 15, 3. Number 16, 3. Number 17. Oh, I'm sorry, boys and girls. This is a family. Number 17, 2. Number 18, 2. This is a family. Number 19, 3. Number 20, 3. This is a family. Number 21, 4. Number 22, 4. This is a family. Number 23, 3. Number 24, 3. This is a family. Number 25, 4. Number 26, 4. Boys and girls, this is a family. Number 27, 3. Number 28, 3. Boys and girls, this is a family. Number 29, 3. Number 30, 3. Boys and girls, this is a family. Good job, boys and girls. Complete the sentences at the bottom. Today I finished blank problems. And the sentence, I solved blank problems correctly. Go ahead and make your star up above and write the number that you solved correctly. If you did better than yesterday, good job, boys and girls. You're getting ready for the 2nd grade. Okay, boys and girls, remember, if I'm working too fast for you, go ahead and pause your video. And when you're ready, you may continue the video. Let's move on to the next activity. Okay, boys and girls, for the next activity, the nice thing about this is it's something that you've already done. It's not anything new. Today we're going to work with a TO chart. Remember, T stands for tens, O stands for ones. So we're working with the TO chart. We're going to write how many tens and ones, and then we're going to complete the statement at the bottom. Now let's look at the picture. We don't have to count every bead in this bracelet. We will know that there are 10 in that bracelet, and 10 in this bracelet, and 10 in this bracelet, and there are 10 in this bracelet. How many tens is that? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So now in my TO box I can write 4 tens. How many ones are there? 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 3 ones. So I have 4 tens and 3 ones. That's number 43. So here in my statement, 43 equals 4 tens and 3 ones. Okay, boys and girls, let's jump over to number 3. Here we have 10 sticks. Here we have a TO chart. Let's count how many tens and how many ones. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. I counted 7 tens, so here in my TO chart I'll put 7 tens. How many ones do I have? 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 8 ones, 7 tens and 8 ones. That's 78. So let's finish our statement. There are 78 cubes. And we're finished with number 3. I want you, boys and girls, to complete number 2, 3, I'm sorry, not 3, we already did 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Complete those problems, boys and girls. Pause your tape and complete those problems, and when you're ready to check your work, you may start your tape. Pause your tape now and complete your work. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and continue. Let's check our work. Let's count the tens and the ones. First, I'll start with the tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. I have 8 tens. How many ones do I have? 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones. I have 6 ones. That's 8 tens and 6 ones. So that's number 86. So here, look at your equal sign, boys and girls. They're going to try and trick us. They're going to put the equal sign in different parts. So this is 86 equals 8 tens. That's what my TO box says. And 6 ones. That's what my TO box says. Very good, boys and girls. Let's move on to number 4. We're going to count the tens and ones. Let's start with the tens first. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. I have 8 tens. I have 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones. 7 ones. So 8 tens and 7 ones. That's the number 87. Now let's complete our statement. There are 87 cubes. Very good. Let's move on to number 5. Let's count our tens and then we'll count our ones. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. 9 tens, boys and girls. And how many ones? 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, and 6 ones. Good job, boys and girls. Let's move on to number 6. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. So I'll put 10 10s here. And how many ones? I don't see any ones. So there's 0 ones. What number is that? There are 100 cubes. Boy, that was challenging, boys and girls. Let's go on to number 7. Here are bags of peanuts. And each bag of peanuts, I see 10. So there are 10 in each one. Let's count the 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s. There are 7 10s. And there are 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s. So that number is 73. To complete my statement, there are 73 peanuts. And number 8, I see boxes of juices, I think. There are boxes with 10. Let's count the 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. Here's 5 10s here. And the ones. 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s. 4 1s, that's 54. So let's complete our statement. There are 54 juice boxes. Good job, boys and girls. Check your work. Give yourself a happy face for doing a great job. And give yourselves a pat on the shoulder. Ready? Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Let's go ahead and turn to the next page. This is problem number 9. For problem number 9, the directions read: write the number as 10s and 1s in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. Well, let's look at letter A. Here we have a number, and now they want us to break it down into 10s and 1s. We can do this either way. We can decompose a number and make hide 0 cards. Here I have 40 and 0 is the same as 4 10s and 0 1s. For letter B, I could make decompose or make hide 0 cards, 40 and 6. How many 10s is that? 4 10s and 6 1s. Okay. Let's make one more. Letter C. It's saying 5 10s and 9 1s. Remember, boys and girls, 5 10s. If I decompose this is 50 plus 9. So my answer is 59. Boys and girls, you don't have to do this. Decompose. I'm just decomposing in case you're wondering how I got those answers. You can decompose yourself, but you don't have to do that. So I want you to do problems D, E, F, G, H, I, and J by yourself. If excuse me, you can pause your tape and do it by yourself, and when you're ready to continue, you can restart the tape, and then we'll record it. We'll collect it. We will correct it together. So go ahead and pause your video now. With letter D, I have 9 10s and 5 1s. If I want to decompose that, I can decompose it by saying 9 10s is the same as 90. And 5. So 90 plus 5 is 95. For letter E, I can decompose a 75 into 70 and 5. is the same thing as 7 tens and 5 ones. Letter F, 70. I can decompose that into 70 and 0. So that's 7 tens and 0 ones. For letter G, I can decompose that into 60 and 0. Is 6 tens and 0 ones. Remember, boys and girls, if I'm working too fast, you can pause your recording and then continue it when you're ready to continue. Letter H is 8 tens is the same as 80 plus 0 is the same as 80. Boys and girls, for letter I, 55 is the same as 50 plus 5. That's 55. And letter J, boys and girls, 10 tens is the same as, you got it, 100 plus 0 is equal to 100. Good job, boys and girls. Check your work. Give yourself a happy face when you're finished. And give yourself a clap, 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 clap. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and continue with the exit ticket. Boys and girls, for the exit ticket, we're going to do it in 2 parts. First, we'll do problem 1, and then we'll move on to problem number 2. First, for problem number 1, it says, write the tens and ones and complete the statement. So make sure that you write the tens and ones in your TO box and then complete the statement. You can pause this recording, do the activity, and when you're ready to continue, you may start it over again. Okay, please pause your recording now. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and go on to number 2. Number 2 says, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use a place value chart to write the number. So here for number 2A, fill in a place value chart, and for 2B, use the place value chart to write the number. You can pause your recording and do this by yourself, and then start your recording when you're ready to check your work. Pause your recording now, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, let's check our work. Here's 90. Whoops, wrong color. Here's 90. For 90, I could say that's the same as 90 plus 0. That's 9 tens and 0 ones. Boys and girls, you don't have to do this. This is only if you need to figure out what 90 means. It's 90 plus 0. Okay, for 87, that's the same as 8 tens is the same as 80 plus 7 ones. Make 87. Okay, boys and girls, go ahead and check your work. Let's go back to number 1. For number 1, I will know that each box has 10. So there's 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. I have 8 tens. I have 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 9 ones. So that's the same as 89. There are 89 markers. Okay, boys and girls, good job. Give yourself a happy face and Raise the roof. 1, 2, 3. Woo, 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 woo. Good job, boys and girls. Go ahead and continue with happy numbers.